Hello everyone, I hope you are staying at home and making art. So let's create something useful from the waste newspapers today, and it is going to be a pen stand. The requirements of the project are as shown on your screen. Take the newspaper, separate all the pages and cut them in 4 pieces as shown. Now take one piece and with the help of a wooden dowel or maybe pen refill, start rolling the newspaper to make a pipe. So for this project we need a lot of such pipes. Now let's create the base of the pen stand. For that we need to start coiling the pipes, and we need 6 or 7 pipes. I mean, depending upon the size you want, you can take as many pipes in the continuation to make this tight coil. When you join two pipes, make sure to add some glue, and in between also keep on adding some glue so that in case it opens up, it doesn't open to the beginning. So this is how a tight coil or the base of the pen stand we have to make. Now we have to make some more tight coils, but this time they should be with one pipe each. So we need to make small tight coils using one pipe each. Now using a hot glue gun, start assembling or pasting the small tight coils around the large tight coil. So initially I did this step using the Fevicol, and it was a failure because Fevicol take a long time to dry up, and these coils were not setting up in that time, and they were not sticking properly. So I had to do this from the starting to, and I used glue gun this time. So once the first layer is done, we need to repeat the same process on the upper part of the coils, and you can forward this process to the desired length of the pen stand you want. So now enjoy the process, and regarding the decoration, you can do, either you can leave it as it is because it looks beautiful in the raw form, or you can paint it as per your desired colors. Before painting them to the color, we will do something else as well in the video, so please follow that process as well, which is an essential process. You have to do it either you want to paint or not. So I had made, I guess, 3 lines of the tight coils, and yeah, be careful with the glue gun. I had burnt my hand very badly with this glue gun, so keep the children away, and please handle the glue gun very carefully. I had burned my 3 fingers at a time because of this glue gun, and I was not able to do anything for few days after that. So please be careful. So here is my project is done. Now I kept it aside for some time to dry, and then I took a solution of Fevicol and water and applied it all over the pen stand. So this process will make the pen stand hard, sturdy, and also it will get some strength to hold the things within it. After this process is done, you can keep it aside for drying for like 2 to 3 hours, and then you can paint it using any acrylic color you want, or maybe a combination of acrylic or poster colors. I mean, you can use any of these two. So here is the final project, and I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.